Aww.
Oh, that's really cute. That makes me never want to go on vacation again.
Or take him.
Yeah, let me take you. Ryan? Ryan, I missed your kisses on the nose. Ryan, give me a kiss. Oh. That's a new thing now, huh? How he leans his head in.
Wasn't he always doing that with you guys?
Not to the side like that. Ryan. Ryan.
So that's how I actually, those are the noises that I made when he would start crying on the
Right.
changing table.
Ryan? Ryan?
We went to a lot of the places that we went to the last time we were there, actually.
Oh, you mean your first time around?
Yeah.
Look, Shane, look.
Did it seem different?
Well, one of the restaurants that we went to, Boots and Chemo, had become totally